Anti-incumbency is always a major factor in any election. In any election, incumbency plays a part, and I agree, with whatever our Honourable Chief Minister has said. And the anti-incumbency is always something that in district councils and the GDCs, the autonomous district ADCs, have always played a part. But the struggle is on, and our leaders are working, very hard to ensure that we can overcome, if not 100%, at least to some extent, the effects of anti-incumbency. And the elections are not very far away, but the efforts are on to reach out to the masses and to make sure that we counter the anti-incumbency.
My last question: what is your response to this development?
See, politics is always a process of churning. There is always this high rate of attrition that goes on. Sometimes it happens, that candidates or sitting MDCs may so desire or seek, some other party. It may happen. It's not a very big deal, to be very honest. And if that happens also, the party is unfazed by it. The party has its candidates already, in mind, who are going to get, the tickets and who are the potential candidates who have a good chance of winning. So even if that, that does take place, it makes no difference.
So do we see that NPP will still manage to emerge as some single largest or to form in the next EC in the JCDC?
Absolutely. I think that there is no doubt in my mind that, looking at the performance of course, the ADC and the performance of the state government should be sort of like seen separately. But, when elections come, they overlap. And people will see the performance of the state government in what our Honourable Chief Minister has done for the state, and of course for the region. If you look at Garo Hills, because the GDC Garo Hills District Council is going to be in Garo Hills. So looking at all those, people will be once again reposing their faith in the leadership of our Honourable Chief Minister.
The outcome of the GDC will be an indication to the assembly polls in 2028 in Garo Hills.
See, those kind of things are again very speculative in nature, whether the outcomes will have an impact on any future election, because that election is still some time away. So I wouldn't go so far as to say that yes, the GDC elections is going to have an impact on the state assembly elections. That will be going too far, I think.
Okay, sir.